Hi, it's the Rawesome Vegan Gal here, and today I'm doing another video for a brand called Cleveland Kitchen, and I've done 4 others. This is part 5, and I believe this will be the last for now, because this is all the krauts that they have. I'm doing on their kraut. This is their roasted garlic variety. This is what the package looks like, and I'll tell you a little bit more about it in case you haven't seen my other videos that I've done. So it's called Cleveland Kraut from Cleveland Kitchen, and it's gluten-free, vegan, and I actually already opened it, so I'll read what it says here. It says live and raw probiotics, crunchy and delicious, non-GMO project verified. Also, it's a 16-ounce pouch. It says always refrigerate and keep upright. It's kosher as well from the OU. It's got cabbage, garlic, salt, and pepper, and black pepper. And it's kosher salt as well, green cabbage. It says it's also, it says healthy and delicious, crunchy, healthy, and delicious. It says does not contain any preservatives. It's was started in a farmer's market in the Midwest by 3 brothers, and they want to serve best tasting, high quality fermented foods. So this one is the roasted garlic one. It says our garlic forward variety is brimming with both raw and roasted garlic and a touch of fresh ground pepper, black pepper that is, and packed with pre and probiotics, and I'll tell you what those are in a second. It's a perfect way to boost your immune system. Also, it's a BPA-free pouch, best enjoyed within 60 days of opening, and it's actively fermenting. That's why they say it's live. So therefore, this bag has what's called an off-gassing vent, and it can be seen from the inside of the bag. So the bag can puff up, and that's okay. There's nothing wrong with it. As far as nutritional information, there isn't that much to share. It just says 16 ounces. Sorry, 16. It is 16 ounces. 1 ounce per serving. 10 calories. Sodium is 10% because it does have salt in it. And nothing much else. Carbs 2 grams, fiber 1 gram, so not much here. But it does have a lot of nutritional benefit for the immune system. So pre and probiotics, what are they if you don't know? Pre is what is the food for the gut bacteria, and the pro is the actual bacteria. So having both in something is good, or you can also look up online what types of foods are both pre and probiotic. Well, we know probiotics is fermented foods, sauerkrauts, kimchis, tempeh, natto. There's many different things you can have. Kombucha. So those are all. But some of them also have prebiotic also in them. So I am going to go ahead and try this. And since I already opened it, and I have some in a little cup here, but I'm going to open it and smell it because I know I can smell already the garlic. Without even opening it. So yeah, it does. I can definitely smell the garlic and the black pepper too. So we'll see how it is because I'm not big on garlic, but I'll just try it anyway. So here goes. I can definitely taste the garlic. It's potent. And then at the end I can taste the black pepper too. So if you're a fan of both those, great. And if you're not, you can opt for some of their other sauerkrauts. The other sauerkrauts are also good. But definitely check them out. They have a lot of good products that you could try out. They have others as well. I believe they do kimchis too, but I don't do kimchis. They're a little too spicy, and also what they have, they do use sugar, and I don't use sugar, so that's just me. I prefer not to. So anyway, but definitely check out their sauerkrauts. This is the Cleveland Kitchen roasted garlic, and I thank you for watching. It's the Rawesome Vegan Gal.